Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni Espresso machine. This machine had an issue with the sight glass leaking right here, and it's because one of the gasket went bad on the bottom, and you can see here, this is what it looks like. It's melted a little bit. Sometimes the reason they go bad is if the machine runs low on water and then it still is left on. Not sure if that's what happened in this case, but just a common thing, just something that people should be aware of when operating their machine. So let's go ahead and test the steam quick. Good strong steam. And then let's go ahead and pull a shot. See how get nice thick crema on the shot. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.